Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started. Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode. In this episode, I want to share with you what I consider to be 5 travel tips for a perfect Jamaican vacation. Most people know that a Jamaican vacation is a vibrant and culturally rich experience. Now, by following these travel tips, you will be well prepared to make the most of your journey to this beautiful Caribbean island and creating lasting memories of a perfect Jamaican getaway. Okay, so tip number 5, which is probably the most important, is safety. And safety cannot be overemphasized. Yes, Jamaica is a beautiful place. There's a lot to do. But like anywhere else, it has its fair share of dangers. So here is my advice. Stay in reputable accommodation, whether it's Airbnb or hotels, but always stay reputable places, not some arbitrary place off Airbnb or so on. In saying that, also travel in groups. If possible, somebody in the group probably wants to know the place. If no one knows the place, that's okay. But always, as far as possible, try and stick together in groups, okay? No, don't wander off by yourself, especially to some place that's off the beaten track. Always stay on the beaten track. No, also under safety, don't take unmarked cabs, regular white plate cabs. Always, use the Druta transportation or a red plate cab, or even better yet, if you can drive yourself, that's fine. GPS works just fine in Jamaica. Yes, when you're driving though, just remember, always drive on the left. That's how it's done. And in terms of safety, my next and final point on this is to avoid being flashy. Be understated in the way you dress, the jewelry you wear, and that kind of thing. Don't do anything that will draw unnecessary attention to yourself. All right. So that's what it is. Safety. I cannot overemphasize safety in Jamaica. Okay. So in the point I just made, I did say to avoid going off the beaten track. Now, let me clarify that. If you have your group in place, if you have the necessary guide in place, if you have safety in place, then by all means go ahead and explore off the beaten path if you have these things in place. Because while famous destinations like Montego Bay, Negril, and Ocho are must-visit spots, if you venture in the rural countryside, you have the option to visit local markets and mingle with the locals to experience the real authentic Jamaican way of life. So to clarify, once your safety precautions are in place, don't hesitate. Go ahead and explore and enjoy. Tip number 3. Jamaicans are known for their warmth and hospitality, so it is essential to respect their customs and culture. In other words, Dress modestly when visiting religious sites. Greet people with a smile and engage in conversation to learn about their way of life. You will find that Jamaicans are very, very hospitable towards visitors. They are ready to embrace, to share, and to just be nice to all visitors. So go ahead and meet the people, respect the culture, and have fun doing that. Tip number 2, embrace the local cuisine. Guys, Jamaican cuisine is renowned for its bold flavors. Go ahead, savor traditional dishes like jerk chicken, ackee and saltfish, which is the national dish, patties from local eateries and food stalls. Also, don't forget to sip on refreshing coconut water that you will get by the side of the road, or try the world famous Blue Mountain coffee. I promise you guys, you will totally enjoy these. My last tip, tip number 1, while it is essential to plan your Jamaican adventure, don't overschedule. Allow room for spontaneity, like discovering hidden gems. We talked about the off the beaten path earlier, or taking part in local events. Ensure you allocate time to explore the breathtaking beaches, lush rainforests, and historical sites like the Bob Marley Museum and the Duns River Falls. And guys, don't forget your suntan lotion. Guys, these are what I consider to be 5 basic tips for enjoying and making your trip a very unforgettable experience. Now, go ahead and tell me in the comment section if there's anything I forgot to mention, or if there's anything that you would like to share with us to make your trip a memorable one. Okay, guys, until next time, ciao.